Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video should be rather interesting, not only for you guys, but also for me because I have never attempted to do this before. So I'm a little scared. You and I are going to be learning about it at the very same time, so let's see how it goes. I have been seeing this trend all over Instagram and YouTube, and I finally thought, what the heck, I'm gonna try it. Today's video is going to be all about false lashes and a new technique of applying them. First, I want to preface this by saying I love full and dramatic, a lot of volume lashes. I have definitely had lash extensions in the past. I swore by them. I loved them. I wore way less makeup actually when I had false lashes. Although they are a lot of upkeep and maintenance, it was so worth it for me. I did a lot of pageant stuff, so it was just nice to have them on because I absolutely suck at putting on fake lashes. They take forever. I don't feel like they ever look good. They never blend well. I'm just not a fan of that like strip look on the top of your eyes. Like you can always tell when someone is wearing a false set of lashes. Unless they're just like a pro and expert at it, they wear them every day. There are definitely people who can do it and do it well. Hi, how are you? I'm not one of those people. So this technique was very appealing to me. It is placing false lashes on the underside of your lash. It's supposed to make them look more natural, give you this kind of false fake lash look. I don't know. Anyway, so what I've seen are people taking these strip lashes, cutting them into sections, and then gluing them on the underneath of their natural lash. It's supposed to look a lot more natural. It's supposed to give you that almost like lash extension feel without the price point and the maintenance, the upkeep. So that's what we're going to be attempting to do today with these. That definitely appeals to me if these feel all right, if it's simple enough, if I like the way that they look. This is a technique that I could probably get behind because I've moved away from my lash extension girl and I really, really do miss them, and I hate putting on fake lashes, especially on the top. So anyways, with that being said, we are going to try it out today. Bear with me, it's going to be a process, but I'm excited and I will give you my final thoughts at the end, so stay tuned. All right, so you guys are up close and personal with me right now. I have lipstick on my teeth, stunning. All right, so I am just taking some lashes by the brand Ardell. These are the Demis, and I am going to cut up a pair now to glue onto the bottom of my lashes. Also, if you see me looking down in this video, it's because I'm looking in the mirror to apply these bad boys. All right, so from what I have heard, the key to this technique is to cut the lash into 2 or 3 sections and apply them individually. So I'm going to try that now.
It's like the blind leading the blind.
I've got glue in my eye. Maybe if I like really peel it back. Oh. So I just have glue in my eye and a lash on my thumb. Okay, I think I figured out a trick. The key to applying the glue is to apply it on the opposite side of where you normally do, like on the top, if that makes sense, instead of kind of underneath. Because that's where it's going to be gluing onto your natural lash. So let's try again. By my tweezers, they would be most helpful. Okay, this is one side done. I don't really know how I feel about it because I don't feel like it looks great when I lift my lash up. Like I can see all of the glue. I personally wear contacts, so I am concerned about it poking my contacts, getting in my eyes, that sort of thing. I definitely have glue in this eye right now, so probably not super safe or sanitary. I don't know. You can see a difference, but it's definitely taking me some time. All right, so I'm gonna be applying the outer half of the lash first. And the important thing to remember here is to get it on the lash. You're not trying to get it on your tight line, your waterline. That's obviously no good. And also very thinly, it's trying to find a balance between putting too much glue on it, on the strip lash, and then not enough glue because you want it to hold, but you also don't want to have a cornucopious amount of glue because it will get in your eyeball. Really just trying to pinch the lashes together, fuse them together You can of course do this with a tool that's meant for this. I know Sephora has one I need to get, but tweezers work just fine as well. But I'm gonna use my fingers. All right, so this side definitely went on easier than this side. I'm sure it's something that comes a little bit easier with practice. The more you do it, obviously, the more you're gonna learn, the easier it's gonna be, the quicker you're gonna get at it. Right. Put a little mascara on to blend them. Hopefully they don't rip off. So all in all, what do I think of this technique? Very time consuming to say the least. Took me about 40 minutes to do this technique, between dropping the lashes, not getting the glue on right, getting glue all in my eyes. It's very, very time consuming, very challenging, very hard, harder than putting the lash on top of the natural lash. That makes sense? It was hard, okay? Honestly, it was very challenging. The only time I would probably do this is if I had a lot of time to spare, getting ready, I wanted to do a full glam look, maybe. But that is a strong maybe. So I don't know, what do you think about the overall look of them? Do they look natural? Do they look good? I don't know, I feel like the spacing is kind of weird. I don't know that they blended well. It's kind of hard when you're putting on multiple like sections of lash. I don't know, not my favorite method. Definitely if I could stick with lash extensions, that would be the route I'd be going. All right, y'all, with that being said, that concludes today's video. Leave a comment down below if you decide to use this method. Let me know any tips or tricks that maybe work for you that I'm not aware of. And if there's anything else that you guys want to see, please let me know, and I will see you guys in my next video. Look at the size of the coffee I got today. Must be a filming day.